Hello everyone. Today I can show you how to open and take this out. You can buy the tool in the Amazon. You buy this tool, okay, and you buy this tool. This is 27 millimeter, and then you the tool. You go in first, okay. You use the here. All right, you lock and you tie, and then you use the tool here. You tie, and when you tie, you need to hold the tool like that. Yeah, need to hold the tool lock over there, and you can tie this. You did tie it. When they go in and they take out, they automatically take out like that. Yeah, okay. And then when you take out, you can take this out and change. I take this for the Yamaha 80cc. I change for this Honda 90cc TRX 90 EX, and you see this is Yamaha. It's Yamaha. Yeah, I can because this TRX 90 EX is no good. That's why I try to use the Yamaha, and but good. But when I take a chain, it's good. They can stop. You see? Yeah, they can stop. But different, we use the Yamaha. Yeah, Yamaha we change for the this no good. This something wrong with this part. But Honda they do this easy. You take this out very easy. You take this out easy. Okay. But Yamaha you take this out center out very hard. You take this out very hard. Okay. Right now I fit that they can start the model Honda TRX 90EX 2008, and I can start now. Yeah. Very simple, very easy. This is a CD I bought Yamaha. I use everything for Yamaha and for Honda. This work, you know. This work. Yeah. Okay. This is very simple. I can show you guys. Yeah. All right. Hi. Bye bye. Good luck. Okay. You can do it. I can do it. You can do it. You take this out. Yeah, this tool. Very simple. Okay.